Turn to the school garden, please. This is one way that I can be financially independent. Every child here can have a mini garden in their home. All right? Every child can raise vegetables in containers. All right? And it will sell to people. There are 2 or 3 very easy vegetables to grow. Can we see that? Hello, friends. You really don't need any mighty space to raise vegetables in containers. Are we listening? So I want to become financially independent. What does that even mean? Who knows? What does financial independence even mean? Please be seated. Who knows? Who can explain to me? What does financial independence mean? Year 4. Financial independence. What does it mean? What does independent mean? What does it mean to be independent? Yes. Eh? To be free. To be free. Independent means freedom. Free. But what does finance mean? What is another word to use for finance? It's a 5-letter word. It starts with mo. No. Money. I want to have money of my own. I don't want to be dependent on anybody to spend money. And so how do I begin my financial independence? I must have something that brings me money. I showed you this morning that you can grow vegetables and make money from it. So the easiest vegetable to grow and make money for it takes you 45 days to grow. You can grow lettuce in 45 days and sell. How many people want to join me on that journey? You want to be financially independent. All right then. So we are going to grow lettuce in the back garden. All right. So on Monday, I will send for lettuce. On Thursday, while we are having this class, we'll step aside for 10 minutes and go and grow some lettuce. Are we ready? Yeah! Are we ready for financial independence? Yeah! You cannot live unless you are financially independent. If you are broke, you are poor, who will you lead? Nobody. Who will you lead? Nobody. So we need to plan for our financial independence. So the first goal of financial independence will be, I need to grow a vegetable garden to make an earning. I need to grow a vegetable garden to make an earning. Everybody.
I need to grow a vegetable garden to make an earning.
I need to grow a vegetable garden to make an earning.
I need to grow a vegetable garden to make an earning.
So that's my first financial goal. My second financial goal will be, I will save 10% of my earnings. Every time I sell, I will save 10% of my earnings.
Anytime I sell, I will save 10% of my earnings.
But something is wrong with my first goal. Who knows what is wrong with my first goal? There's one tiny thing wrong with my first goal. Yes. Because it's not a very good way to start a sentence. I said something is wrong with my first goal. What is wrong with your first goal is, that's the best way to start that sentence. All right, friends? Okay, friends?
Okay.
Okay. Something is wrong with my first goal. I said I will plant a vegetable garden so that I can make an earning. What is wrong with that goal? Yes.
You need to know how to plant it.
If we go back to our smarts, there's something wrong with my goal. Yes.
You need seeds.
Yes. I was specific with what I'm planting. I'm planting vegetables. Yes. I've told you the plant. I'm specific with that. Yes. I said vegetable. Yes. No, that's not what I'm asking. Yes.